Hello, welcome. This is going to be part 2 of my introduction into Node.js series. Now, this does require that you have a basic understanding of JavaScript. If it is unfamiliar to you, I've got a beginner series, which I'll link in the top right of this video and down in the description below. So now getting started, let's first create a JavaScript script and run it using Node now that we've installed Node on our computer. So the first thing we're going to do is create an empty folder. I've created one called node_example. Now I'm going to open this in Visual Studio Code, which is my text editor of preference. However, feel free to use whichever you would rather use. Now in the folder, I'm going to create a JavaScript file. Let's call it index.js. And in this JavaScript file, I'm going to console log a string. And this is simply to verify that the script is running. So let's save that. Now in this folder, we're going to open the terminal. And in this terminal, it allows us to run commands and scripts. So as you can see in this path, we're in the node_example folder. We're going to use the command node space and the file that we want to run, in this case index.js, and press enter. So you can see now that we've printed hello world on the terminal. Okay, so we've run that script successfully. Now you can also use git bash if you are familiar with the git bash. So we open the folder in git bash node_example, and we type in node and index.js. And as you can see, it's printed hello world onto the shell, and it's run the index.js successfully. Or on Windows, if you open the folder, hold Shift and right click, open PowerShell window here. In the node_example, you can run node and index.js. So the same command and the same target file. And you can see that it's worked because it's printed hello world in the shell. All right, so that's the basics of running a JavaScript file with Node, and this will help us in future videos. Okay, so I'll see you there.